I'm with Durst. I'm working in the headquarters and responsible for the ink business, meaning my team was responsible for the ink development of the Varijet press.
And when you look at like developing a press like the Varijet, is that it takes some time, of course. But what are the biggest challenges? I mean, if you want to go to market, when I was visiting you in Brixen, I spoke to Christoph about it, and one of the things he said that you wanted to be the nozzle redundancy, the quality, the coverage, everything like that. But is that something that is really, really difficult to do?
Well, of course, here we talk about utmost quality and utmost speed. So more than 5,000 sheets. It's really a statement with the quality expectations of offset. So here we definitely devoted a lot of work to quality optimization of the prints, ink optimization, primer optimization, to get quality out of offset print at an incredible speed, and we are really proud of having achieved that.
I think that also the Varijet is using the Samba printheads, right?
That's right, it's Samba platform, yeah.
So when you use something like it's coming closer and closer. This is a very intrusive machine, right? I was just thinking that when you use the printed sampads, it really shows the Varijet because you're using on a lot of different equipment from Durst. How is it to work with? I mean, because I think a lot of people think of the printhead as like the main thing in a press, but that is not even true, right?
No, it's an essential part, of course. You have to be able to run it properly, and this is our strength that we have learned in the label press, and we have transferred that know-how to the Varijet. But as important as the printer is the ink chemistry, but also the software around. And the Varijet is an example of an excellent integration work, where you bring together the printed know-how, the ink, the software know-how, with a very good partner, Koenig Bauer in this case, that brings in all that incredible knowledge and really huge knowledge about big machines and running such big machines.
If you look at the machine and the placement in the market, is that, because Durst have a lot of experience in for example, what we see here, large format and these kind of technologies, and Koenig Bauer has a lot of knowledge about the offset, of course. Yeah. So is this something that is developed to be in a new hotspot in the market?
Yes, definitely. We see packaging as a big growth market for us. And on the one hand, we have the corrugated machine with the single pass corrugated, the SPC, which focuses purely on corrugated materials, but folding carton was not addressed by us so far. And we would not have moved in this area alone. With a strong partner such as Koenig Bauer, we were brave enough to do that, to take the challenge, and I'm so happy that we achieved it.
When I talk to some of the PSPs and converters in the market, sometimes some of them think a little bit that it's too premature for having digital in the folding carton business. But I was thinking that the reason why they say is probably because of operational cost and also speed. Is that something that you have addressed with the Varijet?
Absolutely. So the DCO calculation is an essential part also in the value proposition of that machine. So we have a machine that's capable to do more than 5,000 sheets, which is really great at that quality level, a decent ink price, so we can run it in an economic way. And I think the DCO works out for the big brands and converters that we face now as customers.
Last question. If you think of the competition, of course you have some of the Indigo machines maybe competing a little bit in that segment. Maybe also people see the land as in that segment. But that is pretty much the playing field, isn't it?
That's the area where we compete, and we are up for that challenge. Yeah. We look forward to that. Yeah.
So when can people expect to get the first machines in the market?
Well, we launch it on this week officially with the press event on Thursday, and we are ready to go.